Good morning. I'm Mrs. Perrin from Beardsley Library, and this morning we read a terrific book about snow and how a storm piled up. This little boy really wanted to get to snow bad, and it sure did in that town. And so we're going to make snowflakes. A very easy craft to make. There was 1 snowflake, 2 snowflakes, and then 3 snowflakes. Look at this one. Now what we're going to do is we can glue our snowflakes onto paper and fold it in half and then have a pretty card to give to someone. But let me show you what we did to this snowflake before we cut it. So you're going to need a square of paper. A square means all 4 sides are the same size. Let's angle this down and we'll see what I mean here. So here's a square piece of paper. So you see each side here matches. It's all the same size. So what we're going to do first is it's going to put colors and swirls all over it. Any kind of design you want, any color markers you want. So I'm going to make some swirls like this. Then another one right here, and maybe one through the middle. So you can do whatever you want to decorate your snowflake. This is a very skinny marker. So if you want to use reds and oranges or whatever color you feel like it, you go right ahead. I even have some pink I'm going to add in here. And then I'm going to put some dots through. So if you want to do dots and squares and swirlies, you do whatever is a lot of fun for you. So get markers, or you can use crayons. What else do you think you can use? You can use colored pencils. Here are some more swirlies for the middle, and some more swirlies down here. So I used a whole bunch of different colors that I thought were pretty. Now this is the fun, that was fun to do, but this is fun too. So you got your square, you got all your swirlies on it. You're going to take it and fold it. How do we fold it so the swirlies are inside? Fold it to make from a square to a triangle, and then make it one more smaller triangle. So fold, you got the fold here, so fold it over again to make a smaller triangle. Here we go, look at that. So then you can make cut designs, any cut designs you want on all the edges. Just don't go all the way through, okay? So perhaps we want a square. I'm going to cut a square out of it. How about I cut a triangle out of that? So look at that, a square and a triangle, and maybe this part right here, I'll just cut a circle out of that point. And maybe I'll cut a circle out of this point. And I think I'll cut a circle out of this point. All right. And also we can cut, we did heart shapes the other day. So if you go up and around and down, do you see that little cut? That's half of a heart. So when you open it up, it's going to have a whole heart there. So I think I might cut another heart. I love hearts. And if you did a lot of hearts on this, you could use it for a Valentine snowflake. So that was a bigger heart. I'm going to make a smaller heart. And I think here, instead of a square, I'm going to cut a rectangle in. Rectangles are longer than a square. And you see though, I never went all the way over to the other side. See that? But now I've got this side to do. So maybe I'll cut a smile into here. And maybe cut another funny looking heart. And how about a big chubby circle? And another triangle. There we go. Look at all those cuts we did. If you can't use scissors, you can always do the folding part and the coloring part. And then when it's all cut like this, whoever cut it for you could help you unfold it. So we unfold it so then it's that bigger triangle, and unfold it again, and look at this beautiful snowflake we made. So in this city here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 snowflakes. So remember what I said, you could always glue it down flat on another colored square. And then if you folded it, you can make it into a very, very special card for someone. I don't have glue with me right now, but see that? If they opened it up, that would be so pretty to use for the front and back of a card. All right. Look at our hearts and triangles and rectangles. And the diamonds, the triangles turned into diamonds. We did a lot of fun shapes with that. And you can make lots and lots like I did. I made 4 already. You can even use tiny pieces of paper and make small ones. All you have to do again is make that first triangle and that second triangle. And then cut all the different fun designs around the edges. I hope you enjoyed our fun and easy, beautiful craft today, and I will see you again next week. Bye-bye.